Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you basic angle facts part 2. This lesson is basically about alternate and corresponding angles. I've talked about angles on a straight line and angles at a point in part 1. So if you have not seen the video, endeavor to watch it on my Facebook page. So let's begin. When a line crosses two parallel lines, alternate and corresponding angles are formed, just like what you are seeing on the screen here. So here we have two parallel lines, and then we have a transversal line here. This line, it is a transversal line. So this is alternate angles, which are always equal. So we have an angle here, angle A, and then we have another angle here, angle B. So these angles are alternate angles, and alternate angles are always equal. What you need to look for to be able to identify this is a Z shape, a Z shape. Look at it like this. This is your Z shape, you can see. So you need to look for this. So whenever you see a Z shape like this, you should know that these are alternate angles and they are always equal. Let's look at the second one, which is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are always equal. So here we have another transversal line that cuts across these two parallel lines, and then we have angle X here, another angle Y here. So angle X and Y are corresponding angles. You can see them here. So what you need to look for to be able to identify this easily is to look for an F shape. Look for an F shape. So this is the F shape here. This F shape like this. It looks like an F shape. So this and this and this. So F shape like this. So the angle here is corresponding to the one here. So this is how to find corresponding angles. Let's take two examples to explain this for better understanding. The first one, let's say we have this, and then a transversal line cuts across it. So we have an angle here, angle Y is here, and then another angle is here, which let's call this one 34 degree, and this is Y. So here, find angle Y to find angles X and Y. So we want to find angle X and Y. So let's call this angle here angle X. So to do this successfully, we need to apply this rule. So we look for alternate angle, and then if we have any corresponding angle, we also apply the rule. So let's see. So angle X and Y here. So we need to look for X and Y. So firstly, we will say that angle X and this 34 are corresponding angles. If you look at it critically, X and 34 are corresponding angles. So we will say that X and 34 are corresponding angles. Therefore, we can basically say that angle X is 34 degree. Yes. And then when you look at angle Y and 34, so angle Y and 34 are alternate angles. So they are alternate angles. Therefore, we can say angle Y is also 34 degrees. So they are alternate angles. You can see the letter Z and you can see the letter F here corresponding. So this is how to apply the rules. Let's take another example quickly without wasting much time. Example 2. So let's say we have this line, and then another parallel line. So like this. and then this is S. So this angle is 103 degree. And then here we need to find R. Let's say this is Q. We need to find Q. And here is P. We need to find P as well. Again, we are going to apply the rules that we have just learned to find this angle PQRS. We apply the rules. There are different rules which we can use to get this missing angle. So here we will say that angle P is equal to 103 degrees. Yes, this is a vertically opposite angle. Though I've not stated this, but just understand this now, vertically opposite angle. This angle is also vertically to this is vertically to this. Okay, so this is vertically opposite angles. So this is the reason why P is 34 degrees. And then we move on again to find the next one, Q. So what is going to be Q here? So I said you should always look for Z or F to know that an angle is alternate or it is corresponding. So let's look at this. You can see this Z shape here. So this angle 103 degrees is equal to what? It's also the same thing here. So here we just say 180 degrees minus 103 degrees, because that is the sum of angles on the straight line to get Q, and then our Q here will be 77 degrees. Very simple to find. Let's take the next one. The next one is R, angle R. So we need to find angle R. There are different rules which we can also apply to find angle R. So if Q is 77 degrees, it means this angle here is 77 degrees too. And then also, we can also say that the opposite angle in a close parallelogram or rectangle, the opposite angles are equal. So again, when you look at this angle 103 degrees is also corresponding to this angle R here. So we can say that angle R is also 103 degrees, so it's corresponding angle, or if you want to say opposite angles of a parallelogram, so 103 degrees. And then the last angles that we are going to find is S. So angle S. Let's look at this angle S. How do we find angle S here? So we here again, yeah. So we have another alternate angle here. So here, this angle is 103 degrees because it's an alternate angle. So for that reason, we can say 103 degrees. We take it away from 180 degrees, and then we're going to have angle S, which is 77 degrees. So our angle S will be 77 degrees. Or we can also say that angles on a straight line like this facing each other, we just take we just say 180 degrees minus 103 degrees, and then we're going to get 77 degrees. So angle S is 77 degrees. Whichever rules you want to apply, just try to understand that alternate angles are equal, and then the aims to get this is to look for letter Z, and then provided they are on parallel lines, and then for that of corresponding angles which are also equal, so you look for letter F. There are different rules which I'm going to be covering in my next lesson. Thank you for taking your time to watch this. This is where I'm going to stop. See you again. Goodbye.